Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 11, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, H pattern. Moving average bounce, slingshot. At this point, since we closed below that 200 MA on our 1 minute chart, what we're going to do is we're going to go to a break-even situation. So we're going to go to a free trade and we're going to see how this price reacts. We're already pulling back half the distance of our target. So if this doesn't pick up and move with speed and violence, if it gets between the 457.75, 458 area and slow down, we actually might pull profits because we are technically counter-directional trading. So we're trading against the dominant energy being down right now. Another point that I would like to mention is that price got rejected twice at the 458 level. So if this price doesn't close above the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart and it fails to launch with speed and violence, we are going to, hold on.
Order fill.
Take our profits. Close enough is good enough, and no one went broke by taking a profit. So as always, never forget, be a pro. We are looking to play a V pattern snapback, and I'm looking for this price to drop down to about 456 and see how that level holds. If it reacts off that level, we're going to participate in going back up with the market.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 11, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
All right, so the price went a full dollar. Let's lock in half our gains and go over what just happened. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, close enough moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. At this point, we're going to lock in half our gains and we're going to focus on the 457.75 area. So right around the 200 moving average, that's where it failed 3+ times already. So if we get up to that 200 and the 457.75 area and we don't move through there with speed and violence, that'll be the area that we target to take profits at.
Order fill.
And there's $1.50, ladies and gentlemen. So the first trade we took was an 80-cent move. The second one was $1.50. So we're up $2.30 on 2 trades today. As always, never forget, be a pro.